How did I get to know about kidney cleanse? How did I do it? And what were my experiences? Should you do it? Sambhavna Seth Entertainment. Whether it's safe. Did I like it? Now I started experiencing severe headache. Hi, Namaste, welcome back to my channel, The Smiling Storyteller, where I, Priyanka, bring to you experiences, stories and opinions about things that really matter. So this time, I think through my thumbnail, you would have already known that I have done something to myself. And that is kidney cleanse. Yes. So now, I don't want to extend this video so much. So very briefly, I wanted to share with you how did I get to know about kidney cleanse, how did I do it, and what were my experiences, and should you do it too. So number one, how did I get to know about kidney cleanse? Well, I got to know about kidney cleanse through one of the YouTube channels that I'm subscribed to, and that is Sambhavna Seth Entertainment. Yes, so now in her channel, through her channel, she has spoken about her kidney cleanses, her liver cleanses, and also she has given a face to this man called Dr. Piyush Saxena. So now he's a naturopath who runs a website, the Temple of Healing. So if you would want to know about him or the kind of cleanses and naturopathy that he talks about, definitely visit that website. I would be linking that down below. So now when I got to know about kidney cleanses, so I'm a person who takes good things from people and I really wanted to experience it because I got fascinated. So I went to templeofhealing.org and I read about the cleanses, and I really see the first thing that hits our head is whether it's safe. So I also was intrigued and also suspicious.
Ooh.
But yes, I read everything about kidney cleanse that's being promoted by Dr. Saxena, and then I kind of found out that it's not unsafe. So it involves all the natural ingredients. You do not have to do much. You just have to sip something for the rest of the day and your kidney is cleansed. So that's what I did. Now, how did I do it? So there's this procedure that's there after every cleanse that you're doing. So you just have to follow the procedure exactly, and that's what I did. So in kidney cleanse, you could take either of the things that they have mentioned, but I have used corn silk. So I had consumed corn silk tea for an entire day in the amount that's being told by Dr. Saxena, and yeah. So did I like it? Well, I cannot say that I loved it because my experience with my first experience with kidney cleanse is okayish. Now why? Number one, that they have given us so many of advantages of doing this kidney cleanse. I did not experience much of the positive impacts of using corn silk tea. Now it could be because of the quality of the corn silk that I bought it from Amazon. I would link it down below. And then I followed everything else verbatim. So now I didn't experience much of the urination that they say that the moment you drink, you start drinking corn silk tea or watermelon seeds tea or parsley tea, so your frequency to urinate increases. That did not happen with me. I don't know, my kidney was like, give it all to me, and I would do nothing. So yes, it didn't happen, and so my first half went pretty fine while I started having that corn silk tea, and my second half, that is after dusk. So now I started experiencing severe headache, and that culminated into later body pain. And I really cannot explain that I did face a severe headache for the entire night. And
मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
and now, whether should I say that this kidney cleanse does not work? No, it could be. I realized that while I was having that consult, two things that I didn't do, which I should have, I believe. Number one is that I didn't drink too much of water, so my intake of water was really less while I was having consult. And second, that I also didn't eat much. So their recommendation is that while you're having consult, your diet should be normal, your routine diet. You do not have to make major alterations to your diet. But with me, what I did was that I had my breakfast, I had my lunch, but then I didn't have any of my evening snacks or my dinner, and then I also didn't have a lot of water. So now that could have negatively impacted the effects of consult. I think so. I'm not sure. I am definitely going to write to Temple of Healing, and because they are very quick to respond, so I would definitely want to know what went wrong. And also they say that for some consult tea works, and for some watermelon seeds work, for some parsley tea work. So maybe for me, consult was not the right choice because it really did not work for me. But nevertheless, the one thing that I experienced that was good after my consult experience was I had a quality sleep. So they do say that after kidney cleanse, your quality of sleeping, that gets better. It did. And I definitely feel that my energy level has also increased. So I could only tell you these two things that I experienced, क्योंकि ये बहुत बोलने से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. Only these two things I've experienced. One, quality of sleep, tick. And yes, my energy, that physical energy, that also increased. I kind of felt that my energy has gone up, and I'm much more active the other day. So after the entire night of body pain and headache, the next day when I got up and I had my breakfast, I was charged up. So that is what I experienced, and that's it. So whether you should do kidney cleanse, I think you should, because there's no harm to it. Now the consequences like headache or body pain, they are temporary. They will settle down. So you need not feel frightened and not experience this, because this is very natural, and the kind of lifestyle that we live in, and the kind of food we put in, I think we definitely are pressurizing our kidney, our liver, our stomach so much.
जनता माफ नहीं करेगी.
So if at all you really want to try this, first go through their website, read about the cleanses, and convince yourself. So I would just sit here and tell you that for me, the first experience with my kidney cleanse was okayish, but I still recommend that you must try this at home. No side effects. Kidney. So now you can go and watch how did I do my kidney cleanse, and tell me if you have done this before, and if not, if you're going to do it, do drop a comment down below and let me know how did it go. So today I am going to do my kidney cleanse that I have heard about so much, and I really wanted to try this. कुछ भी अच्छा करने के लिए ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं चाहिए, and for this I had ordered corn silk almost a month ago. तो almost एक महीने से ज़्यादा इनफैक्ट ये मेरे wardrobe में corn silk था, एंड अब मैंने उसको अपने वार्डरोब से बाहर निकाला, उसकी अनपैकिंग करी एंड उसके बाद दिस इज़ व्हाट आई हैव गॉट. सो दिस इज़ 100 grams ऑफ कॉर्न सिल्क. हमें इस ट्रीटमेंट में से 50 grams ऑफ कॉर्न सिल्क लगता है. And this is what we are going to boil, and that boiled water, that strained water, is what we are going to drink for the day. So I will show you how I'm going to do it. Almost ये 2 liters का जग का जो पानी है वो डाल दिया है. And now I'm going to switch the flame on. So this this kidney cleanse. अब इस किडनी क्लेंस में ना आई डोंट नो इफ़ यू हैव हर्ड अबाउट डॉक्टर पीयूष. तो डॉक्टर पीयूष का ये बहुत ही फेमस किडनी क्लेंस है जिसमें आपको 50 grams ऑफ कॉर्न सिल्क को ऑलमोस्ट 3 से 4 बार बॉईल करना है. एंड दैट बॉइल्ड वाटर उसको ठंडा करके यू नीड टू स्ट्रेन इट एंड देन यू नीड टू ड्रिंक इट फॉर द एंटायर डे, एटलीस्ट अ लीटर फॉर 3 to 4 times a day. So as per him and as per this process, इस ट्रीटमेंट के बाद your kidney gets cleansed. So this is what I'm going to do right now. तो मैं इसको बॉइलिंग के लिए छोड़ रही हूँ. अब इसमें से पहले मुझे 50 grams अलग करना है बिकॉज ये 100 grams है. आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड इट फ्रॉम अमेज़ॉन. आप कहीं से भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट लेट मी, दिस इज 50 grams ऑफ कॉर्न सिल्क, क्योंकि अब मैंने 100 grams से थोड़ा अंदाज़ा लगाकर इसको हाफ़ कर दिया है. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू पुट दिस एंटायर बंच हियर. कहते हैं इसको डुबा दो अच्छी तरह. सो लेट मी टेक द स्पून एंड सोक दिस इन. तो हमें इसको 3 से 4 बार बॉईल करना है. ये डूब क्या है. And now we are going to boil this. So now keep boiling this, let it come to a boiling point, and then we are going to strain this. So मैंने so the process is, let me tell you, कि पहले आप ख़रीद लो 50 grams of dry corn silk, क्योंकि मैंने dry ख़रीदा है इसलिए मैंने 50 grams लिया है. 50 grams को आपको 3 से 4 लीटर के पानी में बॉईल करना है, कम से कम 3 से 4 बार, जब तक इसका कलर फेड ना हो जाए. सो यू नीड फॉर इट टू फेड. एंड वंस यू सी दैट द कॉर्न सिल्क कलर्स हैज़ फेडेड, उसके बाद आप इसको ठंडा कर ले पानी को, एंड देन यू स्ट्रेन दैट वाटर. और उसमें भी कुछ सेडिमेंट्स डेफिनेटली सेटल होंगे. आपको सेडिमेंट्स को नहीं यूटिलाइज़ करना है. सेडिमेंट्स को आप थ्रो कर सकते हैं, बट मैं ये कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि मैं इसमें भर लूँगी. आई थिंक ये थोड़ा कम ही होगा क्योंकि मैं इसको दोबारा बॉईल करूँगी. सो 3 से 4 लीटर तक का पानी बन जाएगा, एंड देन दैट यू हैव टू कंज्यूम फॉर द एंटायर डे. मैंने यहाँ पर दूसरा वेसल लिया है जिसमें आई एम गोइंग टू पोर दिस, एंड देन आई एम अगैन गोइंग टू पुट 2 liters of water here and re-boil it. So now I'm going to shift it here. As you could see, I have strained this and I have filled this container. I'm again going to refill this for next set, re-boil it, and then tab tak I am hoping this will cool down. If not, then I'm going to use another vessel, and following the same process we are going to fill at least 3 to 4 liters of water for you to consume a day. So again I am using the same amount of water, almost 2 liters, pouring it over here. फिर से आप इसको थोड़ा सा स्पिल करते हुए भर लीजिए, and then let's boil it again. So my intention is that this color of corn silk fades away. So if this turns palish or yellowish, I'm going to discard this. So I think I'll be able to fetch another set of this color, yeah, this color water from this set. तो ये मुझे मिल जाएगा. So it's sufficient for me for the first time. And then as per what they have written कि हमें क्या experience होता है, so Next time I can increase or decrease the quantity of corn silk, the amount of water, depending upon how do I experience it the first time. So you do not need to perfect this treatment. Any day it's a home remedy, and so you do not need to perfect it. Follow the steps and then your body will itself tell you कि कितना सही है, कितना ज़्यादा चाहिए था, इतना expected था, उतना नहीं हुआ या ज़्यादा हुआ. Accordingly you could manipulate the quantity of both the corn silk and the water. अब जैसे ठंडा होगा ना, so as per the suggestion and जो procedure है ना, इसमें जो sediments है ना वो भी settle down हो जाएंगे. तो जो सेडिमेंट्स आपके बॉटम में सेटल होंगे, यू डू नॉट हैव टू यूज़ दैट. वो आप जब इसमें शिफ्ट करेंगे या किसी और बॉटल में शिफ्ट करेंगे, सो डू नॉट पोर दोज सेडिमेंट्स ओवर. आप वो सेडिमेंट जितना जहाँ पर सेडिमेंट है उस लेयर को आप थ्रो कर देना, एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ इट यू हैव टू कंज्यूम. सो यही मैंने पढ़ा है. आई एम नॉट द एक्सपर्ट हियर, बट आई एम गोइंग बाय द स्टेप्स ऑफ द ट्रीटमेंट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द सेम. एंड इस टाइम इतनी गर्मी हो रही है ना किचन में, बिकॉज इट्स मानसून टाइम, बट आई हैव बीन डिलेइंग इट फॉर लॉन्ग, सो नाउ आई डिडंट वांट टू डिले इट फर्दर. सो इफ़ यू हैव द टाइम इन हैंड, फॉर पीपल who are into this daily job 9 to 5, and 9 to 5 बोलने का होता है सुबह you have to leave around 7:30, you get back at 9ish. तो आप लोगों के लिए you could you can try this treatment in the weekends. तो आप कोई भी Saturday ले लो, कोई भी Sunday ले लो, and then that day you for that entire Saturday drink this, and you can eat whatever you want. Although they suggest कि आप थोड़ा light रहे, as in do not go into junk food diet for that day. Eat healthy, eat खिचड़ी, eat दाल राइस, थोड़ा थोड़ा आप खाते रहो, and you keep drinking this water as normal water. जैसे आप normal water use करते हैं the entire day, you just need to substitute that for this water for today whenever you're doing this treatment. So but do try this, and definitely once I try this I'm going to give you an honest feedback कि ये क्या है, how does it feel. Apparently your frequency to urinate increases, so that's what I have read. So I will see how do I experience it, and then I'm going to get back to you. So I will meet you now once this water is done. I'll strain it, and then I'll show you how much of water have I got from this. Okay. So this is what I got from the first time I boiled corn silk. So मैंने पूरा भरा था, एंड ऑफ कोर्स थोड़ा बॉयल होके इवेपोरेट हो गया, सो इतना बचा है. नेवर माइंड, आई थिंक नेक्स्ट सेट भी इतना ही होगा. तो पहले हम इसको यूज़ कर लेंगे. तो इसको मैं रेफ्रिजरेट करूँगी, एंड जो दूसरा है वो यहाँ पे हो रहा है ठंडा. वंस दिस ऑल्सो कूल्स डाउन, तब हम इसको भी इसमें पोर कर देंगे. ओके, यू सी दिस, ये और ये एक कप. सो इतना क्वांटिटी ऑफ कॉर्न सिल्क वाटर बन चुका है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रेफ्रिजरेट these two, finish this cup. For this entire day I am going to drink these 2 jars, and I'll finish this in next 1 hour or 2, और ये मैं शाम के 6-7 बजे तक फिनिश कर लूँगी. So let's see. Let me tell you how does it taste. मेरे को बहुत एक्साइटमेंट हो रही है इसको पीने के लिए. So थोड़ा सा लेती हूँ. I'm filling it the first cup. Wait. Okay. Not bad. मतलब बहुत अच्छा नहीं है. अगर आप हर्बल टी पीते हैं तो आपको थोड़ा शायद ठीक लगेगा. अगर आप हर्बल टी नहीं पीते हैं तो आपको ये बहुत बुरा लगेगा. मतलब कॉर्न तो कहीं पर भी नहीं है. ये तो जो भुट्टे के बाल हैं, यहाँ पर आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि आप भुट्टे के बाल का पानी पी रहे हैं, बिकॉज इट डजंट टेस्ट even 1% of corn, but it's not that bad. I can have it. थोड़ा सा mild, subtle कुछ taste है, but it's good for me. Let's see. पूरा दिन ये पीना है अब, फिर देखते हैं क्या होता है. दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड कप. मुझे फर्स्ट कप के बाद कुछ चेंजेस, मतलब एज सच सडन चेंजेस नहीं हुए. आई डेंट फील टू यूरिनेट, सो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. सो दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड कप. अब देखते हैं till this day ends. Let me see if some changes occur and I'll let you know. So finally I have finished one jug of this corn silk tea and abhi time ho raha hai, I think around 5 PM in the evening. I've started cleansing my kidney morning 11:30. So now I'm up to my second jug and I'll finish it, I believe, by 10 PM. Again, I have not seen major impact on my gallbladder. कहते हैं ना that the frequency to pee increases. That hasn't happened with me yet. So I have read their cleansing procedure. So they have said that for some people, impact or a change starts with just 1 cup, and for some after 6 glasses of having this tea, तब उनको थोड़ा सा change फील होना शुरू होता है. सो दिस इज़ माई 5th कप ऑफ दिस टी. मतलब इतना बड़ा है, सो आई डोंट नो, ये 6-7 कप होना चाहिए उसके हिसाब से. तो सो अ क्विक अपडेट on how my day is going with kidney cleanse. So right now it's 7:51. I have left for the gym, but now I have started experiencing mild headache. So उनके प्रोसीजर में लिखा हुआ है that some 3% and 5% people feel nausea or headache. So I belong to that category क्योंकि अब मुझे थोड़ा headache शुरू हो गया है and थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ही लग रहा है. But इट्स नॉट सिवियर और ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आप इसमें डर जाओ कि अरे यार क्या कर रहे हैं हम, हेडेक शुरू हो गया है. बिकॉज दिस रेमेडी इन इट सेल्फ व्हेन इट क्लेंजेस यू, तो उसमें थोड़ा सा बॉडी में थोड़ा सा इम्पैक्ट आएगा क्योंकि आप कॉर्न सिल्क वाटर पूरा पी रहे हैं लाइक 4 to 5 लीटर्स. तो उसमें थोड़ा सा इम्पैक्ट आता ही है. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू देम ये 1-2 घंटे में अपने आप मेलो डाउन हो जाएगा, विच आई एम होपिंग कि ऐसा हो. सो दिस वॉज एन अपडेट. आई अगेन, मेरे पास अभी 1/2 लीटर ऑफ कॉर्न सिल्क वाटर बचा है जो मैं वापस घर आकर पीऊँगी एंड आई विल बी डन फॉर द डे. एंड देन आई विल गिव यू एन अपडेट और कि वो कैसा रहा, हाउ डिड आई फील, एंड इफ आई सी एनी चेंज इन माई बॉडी विच आई एम रियली होपिंग टू सी. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. सो आई एम फेसिंग severe headache now, and that's why I'm not exercising in the gym. I have just done my stretching and I'm now waiting for Ashutosh to get done with his drill. So I think corn silk tea का ये थोड़ा सा इम्पैक्ट अब आ रहा है शायद बॉडी में, उसकी वजह से मुझे हेडेक हो रहा है, विच इज़ नॉर्मल. बट इस हेडेक में डेफिनेटली आई कैन नॉट एक्सरसाइज. सो best is to wait for your husband till then. I am just watching a few videos, and in half an hour or so we'll go back